And then again, you gotta be real careful when you're setting a rat trap not to catch a bird. Because the dogs... Ow! He just bit me in the boob. The dogs will go crazy. Huh? There's no more. No more. Ow! Quit jumping on me. Tolek, you get him. Get him. Get that stupid puppy. God, he's just... Bailey, it's gone. You can sit there all you want. My God. Go on. Go over there. Go over there. Daddy's just jumping up in the air. I can't believe how high. Look at that. He jumped 5 feet. Easy. He didn't even know what he's jumping at. Bailey, there's nothing there. It's gone, Bailey. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. See? There's nothing up there. Come on, Daddy. Jump up in the air again. There's nothing there, Bailey. It's all gone. It's all gone. Come on. See? All gone. You guys are going to sit there all day long waiting for that trap to go, huh?